We have a top floor flat. Looks like it's a cavity wall with no sheltered corridor. Sheltered wall, alternate wall. So the thickness of the wall is cavity and it's 320mm thick. Low energy light bulb. Dual rate electric meter. We've got an electric shower. Turn the light off. There's a Dimplex Quantum high heat retention storage heater QM70 with high heat retention storage heater controls. In the kitchen we have a panel heater, fixed electric heating, double glazed units, UPVC about 12mm thick. Another low energy bulb. So here we have the lounge, and then we have a Dimplex Quantum QM150 high heat retention storage heater with high heat retention storage heater controls. More glazing, UPVC, 12mm thick. Okay, the bedroom, another Quantum Dimplex. We've got here QM100. Another low energy light bulb. And a dual rate hot water tank. I think, and that's 38mm thick, the insulation on that tank. Take a picture. There we go, keep the auditors happy. So here's the audit pictures, wall thickness, dual rate meter, energy light bulb, electric shower, Quantum 70, double glazing, 12mm thickness, dual immersion, 38mm thick, loft insulation at 350mm, and then the site notes with the calculations at the back. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.